All right, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number 3. Yes, day number 3 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. The topic, today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's actually Wednesday. Wednesday the 15th of November, 2023. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is the area of quarter circles. The area of quarter circles. All right. Now, what is a semicircle? What is a semicircle? By definition.
Half of a circle.
Yes, a semicircle is gonna be half of a circle. Kvet Presenti.
Yes, sir.
Why did you leave class last night without sending me the order of operations? You never resend that.
Sorry, I forgot.
No, you can't be forgetting stuff like that. Were you busy doing something else, or were you actually doing the work?
I was doing the work.
Okay, but you have to send me the work, Kvet, because I don't have that. And by the way, there are some, there's not all of you, but some of you here, you are not following my instructions. You're doing your own thing. And that is not right, and that's not gonna work like that. Make sure, good afternoon. Make sure when I tell you the work to do, please do it. And don't do your own thing. And some of you here have the audacity that while class is going on, you're downloading Pokemon games and doing all sorts of foolishness. You can't be doing that. You have to actually be doing your work. Otherwise, you're wasting your parents' money. And if you're paying for these classes by yourself, you're wasting your money as well. So make sure that when you are in class, you are taking full advantage of the classes. And stop wasting your time and stop wasting your parents' money or wasting your money. So that means that I need you all to participate in class. I need you to actually write down your notes. Write down your notes properly. Whatever notes I ask you for, write them down and send them. Because if you don't send them, then I don't have no record that you sent them. So that it means that you did that. It means that technically you did nothing because you never sent it to me. So make sure when you're in class, take full advantage of these lessons and don't waste your time or money. So when we look at semicircles is going to be half of a circle. What do you think quarter circle is?
Quarter of a circle.
Very good. A quarter circle is 1/4 of a circle. While a semicircle is half of a circle. So a semicircle is half of a circle. A quarter circle is going to be 1/4 of a circle. All right. Now the area or the formula for the area of a quarter circle is the following. Pi r squared. So it's pi r squared. So where are we? Pi. Let me put this here. It's going to be pi r squared divided by 2. No, not pi r squared divided by 2. Pi r squared divided by 4. So what's the difference between this formula and the formula for the area of a semicircle? What's the difference?
You have to divide by
It's divided by 4.
Very good.
4.
Divided by 4. And it would make sense because a quarter circle is 1/4 of a circle. And so you basically take in 1/4 of the area of the whole circle. And then for half of a circle, you're taking a half of the area of the whole circle. All right, so let's look at an example, 2 examples to be exact. Then we can go on to the rest of the things. Aliyah store,
Yes, sir.
please continue with the next 3.
Yes.
Kvet, have you sent me the work yet?
Yes, sir.
You sent it to me?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. All right, complete the next 3 topics that you were on, Kvet. But I really need you, Kvet. I need you to write properly.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
And please do not leave until I tell you to leave, Kvet. I see you just leave yesterday. You just went. I wanted to talk to you after class, but you just gone.
Excuse me, Mr. Boutique.
Go ahead.
Can I please send my notes when my mother arrives home?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
All right, so let's do an example. So if we look at quarter of a circle, I'm trying to find the area of it. So please use a ruler to draw this. A ruler and a pencil. All right, so this right here is a quarter of a circle. All right, let me make sure it's smaller so we can have space to do our work. So this right here is quarter of a circle right there. And it's basically if you have a circle, right? It's basically if you have a circle and you divide it into basically 4 equal parts, right? This right here is a quarter of the circle, right? That's a quarter of a circle, all right? So let me erase this. So let's say that we have this part of the circle. Let's say that this is, let me erase this. Let's say that this is 6 centimeters. Now, if this is 6 centimeters, can someone tell me what is the radius of this circle? If
6
this,
centimeters.
you think it's 6? Are you sure it's 6 or 3?
6 centimeters.
3.
You think it's 3? Who thinks
6 centimeters.
6.
You sure it's 6 or 3? Which, okay, this is what we could do. Put inside the chat what you think it is. If you think it's 6 centimeters, put 6. If you think it's 3, put 3. All right, inside the chat. Tell me what you think the radius of the circle is. If you think it's 6, put 6. If you think it's 3, put 3. All right, put inside the chat the radius of the circle, what you think it is. LeVar Brown.
Yeah, so
Why are you wasting your parents' money? Hello? You want to answer my question? Yet I say, why are you wasting your parents' money? Because you're not focused on these classes. You're missing so much work and so much things, but yet you just quickly leave when it's time to go. I don't understand that. I don't even make no sense. Are you aware that you're missing work?
No, sir.
No, really. You don't be sending the notes. That's your problem. And I can tell you right now what you're missing. Lavar. Let me see if I can find it. You didn't send all of the math notes on Monday. You only sent one of them, and then you didn't send all of the English notes on Monday either. Plus, for the quizzes, you're not even doing the quizzes. You only did one so far, and you didn't even finish it. So what I need you to do is I need you to send a picture of all of Monday's notes and all of Tuesday's notes, all of it, not just some of it, because you have a habit of sending me incomplete pictures. All right. Let me ask the question again. What y'all think is the radius of the circle? What y'all think it is?
Six.
Six or 3? 6 or 3. I see
6 centimeters.
Sion say 3, Olivia say 6, Nevaeh says 6, Latavia says 6, Bryce says 6. And then Jeremy says 3. Okay. All right, so let me show you what's happening here. If you look carefully, right? This right here, let me show you.
Sir?
If you look carefully, this right here is the, this is a circle. So let me recruit this. Let me put this back. Good. So this right here is this is a quarter of a circle, but this one right here, oh, they together. This one right here, this is what we call a full circle, but the teal color here, this light greenish color, this is the quarter of a circle. So this, when we give the length for this portion, we're actually referring to the radius already. All right. So this right here is the radius because it's already half of the circle. All right. This cannot be the diameter. It's too short. All right. This is a quart. This is half of the diameter already. So it's 6. So the radius here is 6 centimeters, not 3. So let's make a note of that. R is what? R is what?
6 divided by
R is
Damn.
6. R is 6 centimeters. Jevin.
yes, sir.
I understand you'd be downloading Pokemon and stuff during class. You need to stop that. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
You need to stop that. You need to actually focus on your classwork. Do you hear me, Jevin?
Yes, sir.
Stop downloading games and foolishness during class. Pay attention for heaven's sake. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Come on, man. Stop doing foolishness. Pay attention. People spending their hard-earned money on you, and then what you can do in class. Download Pokemon. Do you think that's fair?
No. No.
Do you even think that's sensible?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll stop doing it. And that goes for every person inside of here. Please pay attention to class, man. I tell you, I don't run a daycare center. I do not run a daycare center. You have to pay attention. All right. What's the formula for the area of the quarter of the circle? What's the formula?
Pi or 2 divided by 4.
Very good. Pi r2 divided by 4. So the area of the quarter circle we know that the area is gonna be the area is pi r squared. Lavar, did you send it already?
Yes, sir.
So why you didn't send it earlier? Why you have to wait till
I sent it earlier.
No, you sent me the same thing. I tell you your math notes is incomplete. You only send me one example. I gave 2 examples on that day. 2, not 1. So why don't you have all 2? Why don't you have all 2? What were you doing that you don't have all 2? What were you doing, sir? Were you playing game?
I have all 2.
No, you don't have all 2. You only have 1. When I say all 2, I mean all 2 of the examples. I gave 2 examples of a semicircle. You only give me 1. So where's the next one? You know why you don't have a next one? Because you wasn't paying attention. That's why you don't have the next one. I'm gonna send you the notes from Monday. Please write that down in its completeness. Do you understand me, Lavar?
Yes, sir.
And stop doing shortcuts, man. Write the full thing. There's no way I should be running after you for your work. That don't make no sense. Please write down all 2 of the examples. And for English, you were missing some notes for English as well. Write it down fully. You didn't finish writing out all the stuff for English. You only send me 1 through 5. You didn't even send me English notes. What are you doing, man? Write down the thing in its completeness. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the area of the quarter of a circle. Next up, we have what's the radius? The radius is what? Come on, please answer me, man.
6
6.
centimeters.
The radius is 6 centimeters. Sienna? Sienna,
Yes, sir.
I need you to finish quadratics.
Yes, sir, I know.
So what is pi in this question?
3.14.
3.14, very good. 3.14. We're gonna multiply that by 6. Good. Now, what is 6 squared?
36.
36.
I mean, what do we mean when we say 6 squared? We mean 6 times what?
6 times 6.
Very good. 6 times 6. And 6 times 6 is what?
36.
36.
36. Very good. So we're gonna have so we're gonna have 3.14 multiplied by 36. Good. All right. So again, please make sure I write this down. Write this down. I don't want to be running after people for notes that they're supposed to have already. All right, so pi is 3.14. The radius is 6 centimeters. And 6 times 6 equals what?
36.
36, good. All right, so what are we gonna do at this point?
Multiply
36 with
3.14 times
3.14.
36.
Very good. Multiply 3.14 by 36.
And that's 12.56.
Darnik, where's Darnik? Darnik, are you there? Hello, Darnik. Yeah, I can't hear you. I need you to write down the English notes from Monday. I told you to write down the English notes from Monday, but you refused to do it. I don't know what you're doing. Write down the English notes for me for Monday. That's why I sent you the document, but you never wrote down the English notes, Daronique. Come on. Finish the English notes from Monday, Daronique. All right, so when we multiply 3.14 by 36, what we get? When we multiply 3.14 by 36, what do we get?
12.56.
Is that correct? So 3.14, anyone else got that? 3.14 multiplied by 36 is what?
Mhm.
Multiplied by,
113.04.
yeah, that's what I got, 113.04. So when we multiply 3.14 by 36, we get 113.04. And we have to divide it by what?
4.
4.
Divided by 4. Good. And 113.04 divided by 4 is what?
It's 28.
28.26 centimeters squared.
That's going to be, if we divide it by 4, it's 28.26. Please put centimeters squared next to your answer. And why do we put centimeters squared?
Because it's area.
Because we're
Area.
dealing with area. Very good. We're dealing with area and we're not dealing with perimeter. The centimeters squared. All right. All right. So it's 28.26. So the area of a quarter of a circle is going to be pi r squared, where pi is 3.14. 6 is the radius. Let me do 6 squared, and 6 squared is going to be 6 times 6. And we know 6 times 6 is 36. Next, we do 3.14 multiplied by 36. There's going to be 113.04. And we divide 113.04 by 4. And when we divide it by 4, we get 28.26. Jalen,
Yes, sir.
what do you be doing in my class?
What you mean?
What I mean is that when I look at your quizzes, you only did 2 quizzes and you spend probably 37 minutes on them. So why you only doing 2 quizzes? What's happening? All this time we had 2 classes. Why you only do 2 quizzes so far?
That app was freaking out for me.
What you mean?
Like my computer is running a little slow for it, and when I try going it was kicking me off.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, sir.
So why don't you do it on your phone?
I can start doing it on my phone.
Yes, do it on your phone because 2 quizzes is ridiculous. We have 10 quizzes. You're only on the second one. So what you been doing all the while this stuff was freezing?
I keep trying to get back on it.
All right. I need you to we on 10 quizzes now. Now we're gonna go on 15. And you only on the second quiz. So you need to finish your quizzes, man.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, so Jalen, I need you to explain how we got 28.26. Explain that for me.
The area of the quarter circle is 6 centimeters. So the area of the quarter
The
circle
area
is
or the diameter or the radius?
the radius. The radius, my bad. That's pi r2 divided by 4.
Pi r squared. That's how we say it.
Pi, oh yeah, that's a pi r squared. 2/4. Area of the quarter circle is 3.14 times 6, 2 divided by 4. Next, area of the quarter circle equals 3.14 times 6 divided by 4. And the last area of the quarter circle is 3.14 times 36 divided by 4
How we get
equals,
36? How we get 36?
we do 6 times 6.
Why we do 6 times 6?
Because say 3.14 times 6 times 6.
No, I mean, why we do 6 times 6?
I know,
Yes, help him out.
because it's 6 squared.
Because it's 6 squared. Very good. Do you hear that, chilling?
Yes, sir.
Good. It's 6 squared. That's how we get the 6 times 6. So finish it up for me.
And then the last area of the quarter circle is 3.14 times 36 divided by 4 equals 113.04 divided by 4 equals 28.26 cm2.
Centimeters squared.
Centimeters squared.
Why do we do it? Why we divided by 4? And last time, yesterday we divided by 2. Why in this case we divided it by 4?
Because this kind of circle is half.
Hello, Clement. I'm talking to Jalen.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Why do we divide it by 4 and not 2? Jalen.
Because that's the formula.
Okay, that's the formula. Anyone else want to help him? Why do we divide it by 4 instead of 2?
Because instead of the semicircle, we are dealing with a quarter of a circle.
We're dealing with a quarter of a circle. And a quarter of a circle is 1/4 of a circle. That's why we use 4. All right. Let me let y'all try one on your own. Do you think y'all ready to try one on your own, or you need one more example?
Yes, sir.
I think I could do it, Mr. President, or not.
Own.
All right. So let me let you do this on your own. Once you finish, put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Let's say that we have 8 centimeters. So let's say that this is 8. Find the area. If that's 8 centimeters, find the area of the circle. Namaya. Namaya, Russell.
Yes, sir.
Please do not leave immediately after class because we have a lot of work to catch up on. And you're not sending me the notes. That's your problem. You miss class, but you're not catching up on the notes. That don't make sense. That makes no sense. That makes 0 sense. So you have to catch up on the notes that you miss. Anaya.
Yes, sir.
What are you working on?
I forgot. Similarity.
Similarity. Is that what you're currently working on, or?
That's what I'm working on right now. I'm on 2009.
Okay. Do you have any questions on that?
I think I'm gonna get into some questions now, just based off of what the question looks like, but I'll see.
Okay. Marnik. Marnik. Marnik Wims? Where's Marnik? All right. Once you finish answering it, put your answer inside the chat. I need everyone to try. We have a quarter of a circle and we have the radius is 8 centimeters. So tell me what what is going to be the area of the circle? I mean, the area of the semicircle.
Of the quarter circle or semicircle?
The quarter circle. Thank you. Thank you. Put your hands inside the chart for me, please. Again, put your hands inside the chart for me. Hey, Lanaya.
Sir?
Why you not in class yet? All right. Put your hands inside the chat, please. Once you finish with answering this, put your hands inside the chat. I only see a few persons who have answered it. The rest of you, what are you doing? Jevin, Waterfall, Kaden, Bry, Olivia. Bry, where's Bry?
Yes,
Bri-
sir.
Make sure you help your sister, please.
Yes, sir.
Olivia, Namaya, Janelle, Sabria, Casey, Nevea, Kevin, Gianna. Jeremy, Shion, Doronique, Stacy, Tanaz, Nathan. 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 Nathan, where's Nathan? Nathan, I can't hear you for some reason. Nathan, you're missing work, man. Where's your math notes from yesterday, Nathan? It's the same thing I'm talking about. Where's your math notes from yesterday, Nathan? Anyway, most of you all got 50.24. Let's check if that's right. How many persons got 50.24?
I did.
I got it, but I forgot to put centimeters.
I got it.
Okay, interesting.
I got it.
Let's see if that's right.
I did.
So, Waterfall, can you walk us through how you got your answer?
I got
Okay.
Yeah, so firstly, we started off with the formula pi r squared divided by 4. Pi is equal to 3.14, and the radius is 8 centimeters squared
Why 8?
divided by,
Why 8 and not 4?
because the circle is already halved.
So because the radius is already a given.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My bad. It's supposed to be pi r squared. All right. And we have to divide it by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Nathan, can you hear me? That's Nathan, I can. Nathan Higgs, can you hear me?
He joining back in the class.
Okay, thank you. All right, so after we do that, what do we do next? Waterfall.
So the 8 squared would be 8 times 8.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be 3.14 times 8 times 8 divided by 4. 8 times 8 is 64
So we have to
So-
multiply 8 times 8. Why are we doing 8 times 8?
because it's squared.
Very good, because it's squared. So 8 times 8 is squared. So 3.14 multiplied by what?
8 times 8 is equal to 64.
Very good. And then what is 3.14 times 64? It's gonna be what?
200.96.
So when you multiply 3.14 by 64, what you got?
I got 200.96.
Let me see. 64. Yes, that's correct. 200.96. So you finished, right?
No, sir.
What you have to do next?
Divided by 4.
All right, divided by 4. When we divide it by 4, what do we get?
50.24 centimeters squared.
Very good. 50.24 centimeters squared. All right, how many persons got that?
I got it.
50.24
I did.
centimeters squared.
I
Very good.
said it in a long time.
Very good. All right. Joseph, where's Joseph?
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand how we got the answer?
Yeah, I understand.
Pardon?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, explain how we got 50.24.
Okay. So first you say, since pi is equal to 3.14 and or means 8.
Mm-hmm.
So you say 3.14 times 8 times 8.
Hmm.
And then you say 8 times 8 is 64.
Yeah.
So you say 3.14 times 64.
Yeah.
That's 200.96.
Yes.
And then you divide that with 4, and then that's the answer.
Very good. All right, if you finish with this, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp again. If you finish with this, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish with this, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to send me a picture of their work, please. Especially my boys who are in this class, because it's mainly my boys who's be giving me the problem. Especially the boys. Make sure I send your work.
That hurt me just now.
Well, you always send your work. I only have a handful of boys who actually do their work. The rest of them is be trying to download roadblocks and foolishness on the phone, which makes absolutely no sense. Jevin, I need a photo of your work, please. Same thing with Lavar and Andrew. Again, once you finish with your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Dante Darville,
Yes, sir.
where's your work?
Which way?
This one right here, this one.
I'm about to send it in now.
Okay. When you're doing the quiz, I notice that you don't take a screenshot of your grade.
Yes, sir.
Please do that. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nathan Hicks, where's Nathan? Nathan Hicks?
Hey, right on, Mr. Petit.
Nathan, why are you not answering?
Hey, Mike, you working buddy right now?
Okay, let me speak through your mic. Nathan,
Yes, sir.
do you understand what to do?
Pardon me?
Do you understand how to do this? Do you understand how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Explain it to me. Explain this one, how we got 50.24.
You good at me?
I can hear you. I can't hear you no more though. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put the exercise inside the chat. Now, some of you have finished up to up to 7, 8, and even 10, some of you. And then some of you are still struggling with the first few. I'm gonna put all of them inside the chat up to 15. Okay? No, up to 16. All right, and then I need you all to finish them up. So make sure go on the one that you are on. The key here is that you have to sign into IXL. All right, if you don't sign into IXL, then I'm not going to be able to get your work. So the key here is you have to sign into IXL. All right, so let me send in the quizzes, the quiz links. All right. Please remember what quiz you are on and then continue from there. All right. Again, please remember what quiz you are on and continue from there. All right, I put the first 10 inside the chat. And then let me put the next 5. 11, 12, and 13, 14, and 15, all the way to 16.
Mr. Basilio, forget doing the ISL off my phone.
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to you. But didn't I send you the links yesterday?
Yes, sir.
It's the same links though. They haven't changed. Jalen, I sent the links to your phone.
Yes, sir, I see it.
All right, once you do that, please sign into IXL. Again, once you do that, please sign into IXL. Nevaeh already started.
Mr. P, you can send it again, please.
You mean in the chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
By the way, Mr. T, I can't take the picture of the grade of my phone.
You can't what?
Take the picture of my grade.
You can't take a picture of your grade?
No, sir.
Why?
Because I'm doing it on my phone.
Because what?
I'm doing the ISL off my phone.
I'll take a screenshot.
My phone don't have a screenshot, Mr. T.
Yes, your phone does. Figure out how to do it. All right. For those who have not sent in their work as yet, please send it.
Let me.
Hello, hello, Andrew. Andrew, are you there? Hello? Hello? Jalen? Not Jalen. Jabez.
Yes, sir.
You need to do the notes from yesterday and today, what you missed.
Okay. You send them to me.
If you look at your
All right.
phone, I send them to you already.
All right, all right, no, no,
Make sure I write down them notes before you do the quizzes.
no. Okay. Yes, sir.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night.
Sorry, what did I miss?
I need you to complete yesterday's notes and today's notes. Then you can go into the quizzes. This is the work from the day. Namaya,
Yes, sir.
I need you to finish. Did you finish the English notes?
On tone and mood.
Yeah, you finished the notes, but you never sent in the exercise.
Oh, the graded exercise. I'll do that right now.
And how about the maths for the day?
I'm done with the math from the day. I'll send that with the English.
Okay. Jevin,
Yes, sir.
are you playing Pokemon?
No, sir. I'm doing the work.
Really? I don't believe you.
I can't get on my phone.
Are you able to take a photo of your work?
No, sir.
You on IXL?
I'm signing in right now.
Okay.
Can you
Yes.
send the quizzes back in the chat, please?
Yes, I can. Dante Dabble,
Yes, sir.
are you on IXL yet?
No, sir. I'm signing on now.
Okay. So I'm gonna resend the quizzes. There are 16 quizzes altogether. Some people only on 2. I don't understand how that work.
Mr. Petit, could you put the slide back to the work for the day, please?
Sure. Man. Joseph. 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 Hello, Joseph. I wonder if y'all could hear me.
Hello?
Yes. Where's your work for the day?
Yes, sir.
Where's your work for the day? Where's your work for the day?
I was taking a picture of it right now.
Let me speak to your sister too.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you never send me your work?
I didn't have a phone to send it on.
Please stop giving me that excuse because I told you what to do. I said use your brother phone. What part do you understand?
I
Use
can
your brother.
send.
Send me all from Monday. I need Monday and Tuesday work.
Yes, sir.
What quiz are you on?
Quiz 5.
Quiz 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Send me all of, do you have the notes? I mean, not the notes. Do you have the do you have the work for the day?
Yes, sir.
Send that as well. Ciara Rackley.
Yes,
Ciara.
sir. Yes, sir.
The image that you drew for number 2 is not what I have on the board. That's not a quarter of a circle. Look carefully. Look at my image versus yours. They're not the same thing. Also, Ciara, where's the rest of the health science notes?
Pardon?
Where is the rest of the health science notes? Where's the rest of the health science notes? You only sent me one page. Where the rest? You didn't finish it. So I need to see all of that, please. You understand me? Ciara?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, once you have reached 100, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Dion?
Yes, sir.
You finished today's work?
No, sir, I'm writing it now. I came late.
Okay. Go ahead.
I was going to send them. I know Steve, but I'm really busy. So when she finished, could I do that?
What's that?
Like you.
Oh yes, Akiro.
So,
Akiro,
sir.
you don't be doing your work. That's your problem. Yesterday, I asked you to send me the math notes from Monday. I have yet to get them. I don't have them. So what I need you to do is, I need you to write down the math notes from Monday and stop ducking work. Stop skipping work, man. Write down the math notes from Monday, please. Send me that along with today's notes. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Badee,
Go ahead.
can you send the link and draw the game news?
I can. So there are, okay, I posted 10 quizzes and I posted 6 more. So make sure that you're doing the right quizzes. Matthew Kileo,
Yes, sir.
did you send me your notes from the day?
Monday.
Today.
Oh, yes, sir. Well,
Ah.
mommy should have sent it.
Okay, how about on Tuesday?
Yes, sir.
And Monday?
Yes, sir.
I see Tuesday. I don't see. Okay, I see Monday. Okay, what quiz are you on?
You breaking up.
What quiz are you on? What quiz number are you on?
Number 6, 7.
Okay. Akiro,
Yes, sir.
what are you doing?
No, I waited for my mommy to finish so I can send the work to you.
I'm saying, what are you doing right now? Right now, what are you doing?
Trying to do some of the quizzes.
Are you finished with the notes?
Yes, sir.
You finished with Monday's notes?
Yes, sir.
So how come you haven't sent it to me yet?
I waited for my mommy to finish so I could get a phone and I can send it to you.
What quiz number are you on?
4.
4, really? How are you on quiz 4? Akiro, what's your last name? Pet again?
There you go.
Maycock? Did you sign in?
I don't think so.
Yeah, if you don't sign in, there's no way your grade is gonna be recorded.
Mr. Petit, I thought you pressed the link inside. That's all right, or you have to sign in?
The only way that'll work is if you already, let me see, where are you?
So could I
Okay.
just press the link, then I get a
No,
send the
no,
budget
no,
to my
no,
grade? I get,
no. You have to
Check
sign
for me,
in.
Mr. Batty, because
Yeah.
I see they keep like hitting me off.
Yeah, that's because they keep on nipping you off because you're not signed in.
Okay,
if
so I have to
you have
go
to sign
to
in
Google
first.
again.
Yes, you have to
All right.
sign in first.
Yes, sir.
If you don't sign in, then I will not be able to know what you are on.
Yes,
Mhm.
sir. Thank you.
Akiro,
yes, sir.
that's your problem right now. You need to sign into IXL. Come on, man. That's like the third day. The third day, man, and you behind the 8th ball. What do you be doing? Sign into IXL. Sign in. Do you have the password?
No, sir.
Write down your username and password because I already give you this already. Write down your username and password.
I don't think you sent me the password.
Write down your username and password. Right down. Write it down. And then sign in. Once you sign in, then you could be able to have your grades recorded. That means you have to start from quiz 1.
Yes, sir.
Namaya,
Yes, sir.
I am not the garbage can. Please rewrite your mathematics notes because that's written totally improperly and you could write much better than that. Stop trying to skip lines. Write what I have on the board. Come on, man. You're looking for a shortcut for everything. Rewrite that, please. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
And stop trying to skip notes. Come on. Akiro, do you have this written down?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now sign into IXL and then click on the first what do I call it? The first quiz so you could be able to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
I sent you the notes. I have a question.
Go ahead.
It ain't gonna allow you to do like the same test over, right?
What you mean?
Like say you already did a test
Uh-huh.
and you accidentally click on the same link and you redo the test. It's not gonna allow you to do the same thing over, right?
It will. You can't do the same thing twice.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
Mhm. You sent all the notes, Jabez,
Yes, sir.
from yesterday and today.
From today and yesterday, yes, sir.
Let me see. One moment. Kmar, where's Kmar?
Yes, sir.
Did you send in your notes?
Yes, I did.
So let me ask a question. Why you stop working on IXL?
I'm still working.
With the smart squares?
Is it 80?
It's a 80. Your internet is slowy.
Yeah, that's because of the rain and the wind.
No, your internet always slow. You live in Carmichael Road area?
No, Shabbat close.
Where? Say it again.
Shabbat close.
Shabbat close. I don't know what that is. Jevin, where's Jevin? Jevin,
Yes, sir.
what are you doing?
I am working on the create rectangles.
All right. Dante Davel. Dante Davel?
Oh,
What's your smart scores?
I have to go back on the question now. 75.
Remember, once you finish the quiz, take a picture of it and send it to me.
Okay.
Um, Stene Peneman?
That's
Did you send in your notes already?
from this class.
Yes.
That's
What quiz are you on? Sorry, yeah, what quiz are you on?
the fourth one.
Okay. Remember, once you finish with the quiz, take a picture of it and send it to me.
Yes, sir.
I need to speak with your brother. Never mind, I got him. Nathan.
Yes, sir.
Why you haven't sent me your photo of your notes to as yet?
They trouble with the wife, but with our internet.
So let me ask a question. How come your sister is able to send it to me and you ain't able to send me your work?
Because I want to stop it. The Wi-Fi moving slow for me.
I'm saying the photo of your work, huh? The photo of the day's work, the photo of the day's work.
I thought you meant for the quiz video.
No, I need the photo of the day's work. That's what I need. Please send that. Akiro.
Yes, sir.
Have you signed into IXL?
I was trying to, but it say incorrect username or password.
You know why, right? Do you know why?
So
Because you're using the incorrect username and password. All right. Look at how your name is spelled carefully. It's 427 and your password is 36doc.
okay, wrote it down.
Good. Jessica, what quiz are you on? Jessica?
Yes, I'm right here. I go in the check. I can't remember where I even stopped to.
Okay. Tanaz Forbes?
Yes, sir.
Did you send in the notes for today?
Yes, sir. I'm doing the quiz now.
What quiz are you on?
I'm on number 10.
Number 10, okay. Shekinah,
Yes, sir.
where's your notes?
Oh, I'm gonna send it right now.
Sabria,
Yes, sir.
what happened to your notes?
I sent them already, but for my next contact.
I only see one picture. I gave you two. There's two on the board, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I sent the other one, the example, which you let us do already, and the one that we did with you.
So let me ask the question.
Yes, sir.
Did you send the work from yesterday?
Yes, sir. That's on that's on the next one. Because I have two contacts, and that's with my mother's number.
I said from yesterday, the work from yesterday.
Yes, sir.
No, it's not here. The only thing I have is tone and mood.
I sent it. I wasn't here for the math.
You don't understand me. I said the only thing I have is tone and mood. And that was from Monday. I don't have the other one.
I sent it on my mother's phone, but she's not here with me.
I don't think you understand what I'm saying. Look,
Yes, I understand, but I'm saying I don't have it.
what I'm telling you is it's not here. The only thing I have is this.
Okay, but can I send it again when she comes?
Why don't you just send it using the other contact that you have since you have it here? Since you have it
Because
in your book.
I don't have my book with me.
Oh, okay.
That's fine.
How about the math from yesterday?
I have to send that one again too. But I wasn't here for it because I came late to class.
So you need the math notes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, send it to you.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
question free, I really don't understand. I mean, quiz free, I really don't understand.
Quiz 3.
Yes, sir.
Bry, where's Bry? Bry.
Yes, sir.
You need to help your sister.
Yes, sir.
Ajani?
Yeah.
Where's the work?
I'm still on quiz.
No. Where's the work? The notes that I asked for from the day. Where's that?
Yesterday?
Today, the notes from the day. Where's that?
Oh, I forgot to send you it.
Yeah, you can't be forgetting to send that, Ajani. That's very important. Send your notes, please. Kivet Percenti,
Yes, sir.
which topic are you on? Kivet Percenti,
Sorry,
what topic are you on?
I'm on measurements of central tendencies.
Okay. Sienna, 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 Denisha,
Yes, sir.
what quiz are you on?
6-1.
6-1, okay. Dion, you've already sent your notes?
Yes, I did.
Egypt. Egypt,
Yes, sir.
you send your notes already?
Yes, sir.
What quiz are you on?
Quiz 9.
Quiz what?
9.
Quiz 9, okay. Gianna,
Yes, sir.
did you send your notes already?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Janelle,
Yes, sir.
did you send in your notes?
Yes, sir.
For the day?
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you a question. What happened to your English notes on Monday? Why some answers you didn't answer for your English on Monday?
Oh, that's because I didn't get it.
You didn't get what?
The two answers, so I mark it.
So you mark it what?
I mark it wrong. I say I mark it wrong.
I sent you the work. Please correct it.
Yes, sir.
Shekinah, Shekinah,
Yes, sir.
where's your work?
What one?
Your notes.
Alexander.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
Go ahead.
I sent you the notes the stuff for similarities on my mother's phone.
Questions?
No, sir. I just think I need more practice.
More practice again?
Yes, sir.
Realize that that's all I could find in all of the years. So the question, yeah, that the question don't come often, but when it comes, if you don't know how to do it, then you don't know how to do it. It's not something that's trivial. Okay, let me give you the next one.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Can I please go and eat and then come back and finish the quizzes?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
The next one I'm gonna give you is transposition and substitution.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What y'all on in math class right now?
We're doing line graphs right now.
Line, okay. Y equals mx plus b. That?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Compare it with this shouldn't be too long. I don't think this is long either. But compare it with the past paper. You understand what I'm saying?
Like,
Compared with the past paper booklet.
yes, sir.
Where's Sienna? I keep on calling Sienna. I can't hear from Sienna. Again, once you finish with your notes, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Akiro, where's Akiro?
That's all.
How come you didn't send me your notes yet?
Still waiting on mommy, but I still done the quizzes. I mean, the rest one.
You sure you're doing the quizzes or you playing Pokemon or some stupid game?
I don't play those games, but I doing the quizzes.
What's your smart score is?
Right now, let's see, 96.
96. Okay.
So,
Ajani, where's Ajani?
Yes, sir.
Why did you stop doing your work?
We kind of struggling with the quiz.
Area of a triangle? Do you know the formula for the area of the triangle?
Yes, sir.
What's the formula?
Two pi r.
No. What's the formula for a triangle? Base times what?
Height.
Divided by what?
2.
Good. If you have something like this is the base, all right? And this is the height, okay? So please use that formula. Multiply the base by the height and then divide it by 2. Yes, Akiro.
I finished the first quiz. Probably the second one.
Okay, good. Shekinah, why you stop doing the quiz?
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
you could check, see if you could see me now.
See you, what you mean? Oh, on the thing,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I could see you.
Okay, thank you.
Dwayne Slew. Dwayne Slew.
Yes, sir.
Are you working on the quizzes?
No, sir. I'm writing notes.
What notes are you writing now?
Math notes.
From what, today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dion.
Yes, sir.
Why do you stop with your work?
I'm trying to watch a video to find the best piece, the best base.
Okay. Olivia, what quiz are you on?
$11.
11, okay. Jalen. Jalen,
Yes, sir.
what quiz are you on?
I'm on the area between two rectangles.
Area between two rectangles. Okay. Did you send in your notes?
Yes, sir.
You said no.
I said yes, sir.
Okay. Lanaya.
Yes, sir.
What are you working on?
Simplifying algebraic expressions.
Okay. Stay back, please. I need to speak with you afterwards.
Yes, sir.
Angel.
Yes, sir.
Did you send in your work?
Yes, sir.
What quiz are you on?
7.
The 7th one, okay. And Aliyah, what are you on? Aliyah Star?
Yes, sir.
What are you on?
Geometry, concepts, and rules.
Okay. Ashtan? Ashtan Webb? Ashtan Webb? Where's Ashtan? Ashtan. Ashtan Webb, are you there? Can't hear from Ashtan. Naya?
Yes, sir.
See if you can call. Can you make a call? I need you to call Sienna, please.
I did try to call Sienna a few minutes ago. She didn't pick up my phone either.
Okay. Ashtan, where's Ashtan? I'm trying to call you inside the class, but you're not responding. What's happening?
I was gonna type in the chat just now. I was on the page for my quiz.
Are you doing your quiz? Because I don't see an email.
Yes, sir. I'm on the 8 one. I didn't message you. When I was in school, you'd message me. So I couldn't do the quiz, so I was in school. You see, you didn't see the 4th one. I asked you to send it back. But I have it, I can go it over. Still don't see it.
I don't see an email. That's
You don't
the
see my name?
no. That's the problem. Did you sign in to IXL?
Yes, sir.
No. No now. You need to sign into IXL. That's why I ain't getting your stuff. No, you ain't now. No, you're not there. If you don't sign into IXL, I can't get your work, you know. That means the things you do have to do over. Yeah, I see. I ain't get your work. No, but
You still don't see my name?
okay. Today is Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
I see it here. What you want? Use on GG.2?
Yes, sir.
Area of rectangles and squares.
Yes, sir.
What's the smart square? 79?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see it there, but I don't see you on the other page. That's weird. What's your name is Ashtana Webb?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see you on the other on the live. What you doing this on?
I don't know my laptop.
Yeah, I don't see you in the large in the large classroom. I don't see you. I see you now. Yeah, I see you now. I see you now.
I just restarted my tab.
Yeah, I see you now. Okay. Did you send the notes for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Tiana, are you there? Where's Tiana? Claremont, what number you what quiz are you on?
I'm on quiz 10.
Quiz 10? Okay. Did you send in your notes from for today?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Hey, Sienna.
Can I apologize? I am babysitting for my neighbor right now, and we had a diaper accident, so I had to rush. And yeah, sorry.
Nevaeh Gordon.
Yes, sir.
What quiz are you on?
I'm on circumference of circles.
Okay, and did you send in the notes for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Can I step away really quickly?
Sure.
Thank you.
What's her name? Nevaeh Wallace. Nevaeh Wallace. Nevaeh Wallace.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you send me your notes?
I read in it now.
Which one?
The math notes today.
Yeah, but you haven't sent me your math notes for Monday. You haven't sent me your math notes from Tuesday. You haven't sent me the health science or the general science. What have you been doing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Why are you not sending in your work? Hello? Why? So I need to tell your daddy that you're not focusing in the classes?
No, sir.
But that's the truth. You're not focusing in the classes. That's the truth. So why are you not sending in your work? That's what I want to know. So what do you do during classes? What do you do?
I was writing the notes.
No, I mean, you know what I say? I say you haven't sent your notes from Monday, your math notes from Monday. You didn't send your math notes on Tuesday. You didn't send your health and general science notes on Tuesday. And you haven't sent your math notes on Wednesday. That's 3 days I mentioned. I'm asking you, what do you be doing during class time? That's my question.
Nothing.
That's the problem. You're doing nothing. You're supposed to be doing something. That's your problem. I need you to send all the notes, please. All the notes. Do you need them or you have them?
I have them.
So why are you not sending them? That don't make no sense, Nevaeh. Send your notes. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Send your notes, man. And there comes Samaya once again, late as usual. Dylan Butler.
Yes, sir.
Why you stop doing the work?
I come off it to go check in my book because I wasn't getting the answers right.
Okay.
Look at the notes again.
Okay. Dante the Apple. Why you stop doing your work? Dante Davel. Hello, Dante. Okay. Dante Davel, where are you? Is there Dante Dabble? Dante Dabble. Where's Dante? Tanaz Forbes.
Yes, sir.
Why you stop doing your work?
I trying to figure this out. It's very hard for me, so I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay. Dante, why you stop doing your work?
I do my work now. I is on YouTube looking up how to do one of the questions.
Okay. Shekinah Kalma.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
May
Tanish.
you resend the quizzes back, please?
Yes, I can. Akiro. Akiro.
Yes, sir.
I said send Monday's math notes. Send Monday's math notes. What part don't you understand? The month or the
Yes, sir.
day?
So,
Who need the quizzes? Matthew Clare, where's Matthew? Matthew Clare. Olivia, where's Olivia? Olivia. Olivia, are you there? Where's Olivia?
Yes, sir.
Matthew, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, where are you? What happened? Why you stop doing your work?
Oh, I was in the bathroom.
Yeah, but you can't be
minute
you can't be in the bathroom and you didn't ask me to step away. So you have me calling your name in vain. Come on, man, you know better than that. Next time, please do not do that.
Yes, sir.
LeVar Brown.
Yes, sir.
Where's today's notes? Did you send it?
Pardon?
Did you send today's notes?
Yes, sir.
You did not send Tuesday's notes though. Where's that? That's why I sent you that document so you can write down Tuesday's notes. But you haven't done it yet. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. You did not send me Tuesday's notes. I wouldn't be asking you for Tuesday notes if you send me Tuesday's notes. You sent me Monday and Wednesday. You did not send me Tuesday notes. So go back in your chat and you will see Tuesday. Please write that down. And by the way, why did you stop doing your quiz?
Hey, doing my quiz.
It says here that you're paused. Why is that?
It didn't pause on my side.
It says that your smart score is 0. So please, what I need you to do is I need you to finish up the Tuesday's notes. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Go ahead.
when are we gonna do the other classes?
Who's that?
Return quiz.
Can you wait, please? You always just do
Yes,
this, you know. Wait. It's 3 minutes before 8, man. Stop it. You always just do that. Wait. It's 3 minutes before math class over. Come on, man. That's irritating. All right. It's currently 8:01. It's currently 8:01, and so we have to transition over to English language. If you are doing English language, please turn your attention over to the screen. If you are not doing English language, then you can continue with the math quiz. Again, we are gonna go to English language. If you are doing English language, please turn your attention over to the screen. But if you're not doing English language, continue with the math quizzes. All right, so
Mr.
Can you
Badid,
use the bathroom, please?
yes, you can.
Mr. Badid,
Go ahead.
for the second quiz, did you see my score?
The second quiz. What did you get?
Did I get? I got 85 smart score.
You did G1 again. Why you do G1 again?
I did?
Yeah, it's the same G1. That's G1. You're still on G1. Oh, and by the way, you haven't sent me your math notes quiz. You haven't sent me the math notes from Monday. Keep on asking you for that. All right. Okay, let's begin. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of November. Go ahead.
I can use the bathroom before starting.
Yes, you can. Today is the 2023. The subject is, of course, English language. And the topic is anaphora and personification. Lanaya, where's Lanaya?
Yes, sir.
I need you to do this, please. The topic is anaphora and personification.
Back, Mr. Batty.
Okay. All right,
No.
so has anyone ever heard about anaphora and personification before?
I heard of personification, but not anaphora.
Okay. So when you heard about personification, what you heard about personification?
Personification is like comparing like a non-human thing with
When you give a non-living object human qualities.
Very good. Give me an example.
the flower sways in the sun.
So okay, the flower sways.
Yes, sir.
The flower dances.
The flower dances. Who said that?
Naya.
Naya, yeah, that's a good one.
The flowers smiled as I watered them.
Very good. That's a very good one. That's a personification. All right. What do we mean by anaphora? Anyone ever heard of that before?
No, sir.
Okay. Anaphora is basically, anyone ever heard about repetition?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Repetition is basically the same thing as anaphora. So when you use anaphora, you're basically using repetition. It's just a smart way of saying repetition. So inside writing, people use repetition and they use personification, right? These are called literary devices or figures of speech. All right, we use them to make our writing interesting and to add emphasis or to bring forward a point more clearly. All right, so that's what we're gonna be talking about, anaphora and then personification. So let's first start off with anaphora, and then we can go on to personification. So so let's begin with anaphora. Anaphora is a literary device.
Excuse me, Mr. Badid.
Go ahead.
Cannot see your screen with you right.
That's
You
true.
can't see it, Miss.
Okay. Anaphora is a literary device. You can see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, a literary device that involves the repetition of a word or phrase at the beginning of successive clauses or sentences. So the thing about anaphora, like I said, is basically a cute word or a more sophisticated word of talking about a repetition. Okay, so repetition or anaphora is a literary device. Now, this is used a lot inside your writing, especially when you look at the BJC and BGCSE, they always talk about
Is it when you're repeating the same word multiple times?
the same word or the same phrase, all right?
Same phrase.
Yeah, in your writing, or when you or people use it inside their writing as well. So this intentional repetition, so it's intentional, right? And why would they do it? They do it to emphasize a particular idea. They do it to create a rhythmic pattern. Let me spell that right. They do it to enhance the overall impact of the text. Okay, so those are the reasons why we would use anaphora to emphasize a particular idea, create rhythm, or enhance the overall impact of a text. So what's another word that we could use for anaphora?
Repetition.
Repetition. Okay, repetition. So let's look at an example. There's lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of examples that we could use. All right, so I'm gonna show you all something. This is something I found from, if you look at, if you go to the US Embassy Consulate, you can find this this speech. This speech was famously done by Martin Luther. Now, if you look at this speech, right, I want you to tell me what particular device is being used, right? So let's go. Notice what it says. He said, I have a dream that one day in this nation, la la la. I have a dream that one day out in the red hills of Georgia. I have a dream that one day even in the state of Mississippi, I have a dream that my 4 little children. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day in Alabama. What is the device that's being used constantly?
I dream.
The name of the device.
Repetition.
What's the name of the device?
Repetition.
Repetition or what? Would we learn it? Anaphora, right? And what phrase is being repeated constantly?
I have a dream.
I have a dream. Very good. All right. And so That is one way we can see anaphora being used in the speech by Martin Luther. He says, I have a dream.
Because he repeated couple times.
He repeated like a lot of times. And so that's what anaphora does. Anaphora is when you repeat something over and over and over and over. So I have a dream that one day, blank, 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 blank. I have a dream that one day, blank, 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 blank. I have a dream that one day, blank, 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 blank. And so that is anaphora, and this is taken from Martin Luther speech. So the device that's being used right here is what we call it?
Repetition.
Repetition or
Anaphora.
anaphora. Very good. So there's another famous one. There's another famous one by this one is from A Tale of Two Cities. Written by Charles Dickens. Okay. So that's what it says. He says, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. It was the approach of belief, it was the approach of incredulity. It was the season of light, it was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope, it was the winter of despair. We had everything before us, we had nothing before us. We were all going direct to heaven, we were all going direct the other way. In short, the period was so far like the present period that some of its noisiest authorities insisted on its being received for good or for evil in the superlative degree of comparison only. So what device, this is from A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. What device is being used here? What device?
Repetition.
Repetition, or what word we use? What word do we use for repetition? Anaphora, right? Now, what is being repeated over and over?
It.
Okay. What phrase?
It was the.
It was, okay. All right. It was the, like he said, it was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the, even here. Say it again. Someone saying something? Okay. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age. It was the approach. It was the approach. It was the season. It was the season. So that's another way to use anaphora, right? Repetition. Now, the reason why we use anaphora, like we say, to emphasize things, right? To create cadence. And cadence just basically mean rhythm, right? Also, we use it for symmetry. We also use it for emotion, all right? And we also use it just so people could remember what we say, all right? The next one is personification. So it's personification. Now, what do we say personification is? That's another literary device.
It's giving a human ability to an object.
Very good. So personification is another literary device where human qualities or characteristics human qualities and characteristics to what? Inanimate objects, right? So personification is when we give human characteristics or qualities to an animal or object, okay? And we use it for various reasons. Obviously, we use it for memory, like we use it to, just so things could be memorable, right? And there's always a way we can put personification in there, all right? There's always a way, personification. And you all gave me some good ones, talking about how the flower smiled as I watered it. So I like that one. I think who said that? Namaya. Namaya said the flower smiled as I watered it. All right. So what human trait is given to this flower?
Smiling.
Yes, the ability to smile. You all done with the slide? Yeah.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Made the notes. It isn't showing on my screen.
Yes, sir.
No. You didn't see. You don't see it on your screen.
No,
You
sir.
can. Okay. Can you see it now?
No, sir. Oh, I can see it now, sir. Thank you.
No problem. We can say the wind whispered through
April.
the lofty, rich foliage. So basically the wind whispered through the forest, right? What human characteristic is given to the wind?
The ability to whisper.
The ability to whisper, yes.
Huh.
The ability to whisper.
Hey, Mr. Petit, this is a good one.
Uh-huh.
The drumsticks started to yell as I beat them on the drum.
Okay, that's a good one. I like that. All right, inside the chat, give me an example of a personification and an example of an anaphora. Okay, so inside the chat, give me an example of personification and an anaphora. Again, inside the chat, give me an example of a personification and anaphora. Again, inside the chat, give me an example of anaphora and personification. Again, inside the chat, give me an example of anaphora and give me an example of personification.
Mr. Petit, I might not have my answer in the chat. I'm thinking of one so hard right now.
You thinking of one hard? Is that difficult?
I trying to make it sound unique.
I like that word, unique. Again, put inside the chat an example of anaphora and also put inside the chat an example of personification. All right, let me read what y'all have so far. China, we shall not flag or fail. We shall go on to the end. The story jumped off the page. I like that. Please label them so I can know which one is which. Malia, the catchus saluted any visitor brave enough to travel the scorched land. Man, that's good. That's a very good one. I like that. Right, the chicken screamed as I bit into it. Very good. Breathe. The sponge laughed as it was being scrubbed on the pot. That's a good one. Nevaeh, personification, the blender. And once again, my boys are not answering. Only a few. Most of these are the girls. Where's Jalen? Where's the Lavar? Where is Jevin? Where is Dante? Come on. Nevaeh, the blender sang as it blended fruits, supposed to be fruits together. Very good. Jessica, the stars winked in the night sky. Very good. Malik, the drumsticks yelled as I hit on them on the drums. Zara says, the spoon screamed as I put it in hot soup. I like that. Bethany, I love to play game. I love to watch movie. I love to cook. I love to knit. Very good. Janelle, the sun kissed me while I was clicking a picture. I like that. Y'all basically saying the same thing. Andrew, the chair cried as the fat lady sat down. Man. Oh, that's crazy. Latavia, Anafra, getting busy or get busy living or get busy dying. Okay, personification. The wind howled in the night. Bethany, the sky wept. I like that. Malia, I analyze video game dialogue. I analyze magazine article. I analyze the fluffy genre fiction. I read on the beach. Very good. Okay. Nevaeh, every breath you take, every move you make, I will be watching you. Sounds like a song. In every cry of a man, in every infant's cry of fear. Dion and Jessica, y'all have the same thing. Angel, I can hear the wind talk as it passes by. Anafra, the clouds covered me while I was on the beach. The clouds covered me while I was on the beach. The cloud covered me while I was on the beach. Dante, where's Dante? Is Dante here? Dante Darvel.
Yes, sir.
You didn't give an example inside the chat. Why?
I'm trying to think of one.
Joseph, you are not answering in the chat. And it's almost always my voice. All right. Let's go ahead and do the great exercise. So great exercise. Number 1. Make sure you have all of the notes, please. Again, make sure you have all of the notes. I don't want to be running down people for notes, but if you force me, I will. All right, instructions. The instructions are to
Yes, Mr. Bati.
right. What happened?
You could put the screenshot of the notes in the chat.
Yes, I can. So write A for anaphora and write what? Do you think?
P for personification.
Very good. Write P for personification. Okay, this should be a very simple exercise. Number 1, the moon peaked through the clouds. Casting a watchful eye on the sleeping town. The moon peeked through the clouds, casting a watchful eye on the sleeping town. Number 2, I laugh in joy. I laugh in sorrow. I laugh because laughter is the music of the soul. With each mistake, I learn. With each mistake, I grow. With each mistake, I become more resilient. Number 4. The tired, old shoes, begged for a break after a long day of walking. Number 5. The ocean waves whispered sweet lullabies to the sandy shore. He spoke with passion. He spoke with conviction. He spoke with the wisdom of experience. Number 7. Life is a journey. Life is a teacher. Life is a series of adventures. Waiting to unfold. Number 8. In the city, I hear the hustle. In the city, I feel the energy. In the city, I discover the heartbeat of urban life. The raindrops race down the window. Competing in a playful game. All right, so those are the sentences. Write A for an alpha and write P for personification. Number one, the moon peeked through the clouds, casting a watchful eye on the sleeping town. Number two, I laugh in joy, I laugh in sorrow. I laugh because laughter is the music of the soul. With each mistake I learn, with each mistake I grow, with each mistake I become more resilient. Number four, the tired old shoes beg for a break after a long day of walking. Number five, the ocean waves whispered sweet lullabies to the sandy shore. Number six, he spoke with passion, he spoke with conviction. He spoke with the wisdom of experience. Number seven, life is a journey, life is a teacher. Life is a series of adventures waiting to unfold. Number eight, in the city I hear the hustle, in the city I feel the energy. In the city I discover the heartbeat of urban life. Number nine, the raindrops race down the window, competing in a playful game. All right, so once you finish with your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish with your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. And then we'll go over it. All right, again, once you finish with your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. LeVar Brown,
Yeah, so
where is where's the, did you do the notes for the language notes for the day?
no, sir, my Wi-Fi was freaking out, and I was keep getting kicked out of the class.
So you need the language notes.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. This is the language notes. I'm gonna put inside the chat. This is not only for LeVar, but for also anyone who didn't have the language notes. It's here for you. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Yes, can I speak to Samaya, please? Yes, why are you not in classes? Can you join in, please?
Yes, sir.
All right, once you finish with your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. We're going to go over the answers very soon.
Mr. Petit,
Uh-huh.
I sent you all my work.
Okay. For Sean Turnquest. For Sean Turnquest.
Yes, sir.
Where's the notes for the English language?
Sending them now. I'm sending them now.
You did the same thing on Monday. You just send the exercise, send the notes,
For
send the notes as well. Send the notes as well. Come on, man. And why didn't you answer number 9? Come on,
I
man.
did.
No, you didn't. If you did, you didn't send the right one, because number 9 is left blank.
Yes, sir.
All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Kivat Percenti, where's your work? Kivat Percenti. Hey Mar, what number you on?
Number 8.
Babe. Kevin, what number you on?
Number 9, sir.
Number 9. Andrew, what number you on? Ajani, what number you on?
Number 6.
Okay. Sienna, where's Sienna?
Yes, sir.
What are you working on?
Quadratic equations,
What year are you on?
2017.
Okay. All right, once you finish with your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Jevin, where's your work?
I'm not done yet, sir.
Are you playing Pokemon?
No, sir.
I don't believe you. What number you on?
I'm on number 9 now.
All right. Somaya, please complete this work. I don't know why you're leaving class and you're not done with your work. Again, Somaya, please finish with this work. I don't know why you leave class and you're not done with your work. All right, how many persons are finished with their work? So we have to go over them.
I didn't finish, Mr. Petit. I sent it to you.
Okay.
I'm done.
Only those three. Anyone else finished with their work? Please speak up. Let me know.
I'm finished as well, Mr. Petit. I sent you the notes too.
All right.
I'm finished as well, Mr. Petit. I sent you the notes too.
I finished.
Okay. All right, very good. Malik. So Maya, what number are you on?
No, 5.
Okay, after this, you have to do the notes before you go. All right, so let's go ahead and answer them. Percenti, where's percenti? Kivet percenti? Kiana from Kivet. All right, so let's go ahead and answer them. The first question says, or the first sentence says, the moon peeked through the clouds, casting a watchful eye on the sleepy town. Is that anaphora or personification?
P. Personification.
P or A?
P.
P, very good. How many persons have P for this one? Number one.
Me.
I did.
Please speak to me, please. How many persons have P for number one?
I did.
I do.
I did.
All right, good. All right, number two. I laugh in joy, I laugh in sorrow, I laugh because laughter is the music of the soul. Which I love for that one.
A.
Very good. Anaphora.
A.
Very good. Anaphora. How do you know it's anaphora?
Because it repeats.
It's repeating the
itself.
same phrase.
Yeah, it's repeating the same phrase. I laugh. With each mistake I learn, with each mistake I grow, with each mistake I become more resilient. Sure for that one.
A.
A, very good. A for anaphora, and it's A because it's what?
It's repeating the phrase
What phrase is it repeating?
with each mistake.
With each mistake. Number four, the tired old shoes beg for a break after a long day of walking.
B. Personification.
Very good. Personification. What is being personified there?
The old shoes.
The tired old shoes.
The old shoes is giving the human quality of being what?
Begging.
Of begging and what?
Long way of walking.
Walking.
Begging, no, begging and being what?
Tired.
Being tired.
Being tired. Very good. Shoes can't be tired. Number five, the ocean's waves whispered sweet
P.
lullabies to the sandy shore. Which one for that one?
Personification.
P.
P, why P?
P.
Why P?
Because the wave.
Because they use the word whispered.
So the waves are what? Given the human quality of being able to what?
Whisper.
Whisper. Very good. Number 6, he spoke with passion. He spoke with conviction. He spoke with the wisdom of experience. Good job for that one.
A.
Very good. Anafra. And what does that mean? And what is being repeated?
He spoke.
He spoke with. Very good. He spoke with. Number 7. Life is a journey. Life is a teacher. Life is a series of adventures waiting to unfold.
A.
Very good. A is for what?
Anafra.
Anafra. Very good. Number 8. In the city, I hear the hustle. In the city, I feel the energy. In the city, I discover the heartbeat of urban life. What else for that one?
Anafra.
A. Anafra. What is being repeated?
In the city.
In the city. Very good. Number 9. The raindrops race down the window, competing in a playful game.
P.
Very good. What is given human quality is?
The raindrop racing.
Raindrops. Very good. Raindrops are given human qualities of being able to race. All right. So P is for personification. All right. How many persons got all right?
I did.
I got all right,
Get
Mr.
all right,
Petit.
Mr. Petit. All right, send it to you.
All right. Only those 4. Anyone else got all right?
I got all right.
All right, Mr. Petit. I got all right.
All right. Very good. If you're ready, listen to me very carefully. I do not want to have to run after nobody on tomorrow. If you know you haven't sent in your work, please do not leave, because I'm going to find out you on tomorrow anyway. Stop making my job hard. If you know that you haven't sent in your work, do not leave. If you've sent in all your work for the night, including the math, you can go. Good night.
Good night, Mr.
Good
Petit.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good
Good
night.
night, Mr. Petit.
Oh, they have a big.
Yes, Sabria?
I sent in all my work for tonight, but when I get home, I have to send in the ones that I didn't send in yesterday.
Okay, yes, you can go.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Miss
Limit,
Petit,
sir.
Yes, Ebenezer?
I was asking if you could send me the math notes and work, please.
You mean for the day?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Petit, I also missed the mark.
Who's that?
Rashawn.
Rashawn, yes. Okay, this is the math notes for today. Let me take a screenshot of it. This is the math notes for the day. This is the English notes, the beginning of the English notes. I put them all in the chat for you all who still need them. And this is the English notes again for today.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Good night, and I sent in all my notes.
Good night. Naya,
Yes, sir.
you sent in all your work?
Yes, sir.
When I say if you send all your work, I mean
Math too?
yeah, math.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can go until tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Good night. Sienna, did you send in all your work?
Yes, sir.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night. Do you have any questions on quadratic?
No, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
You think you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What y'all on in math class right now?
Graphing.
Graphing what?
I don't know what kind of graphing it is. All we're doing is graphing.
How does the how does the shape look? Is it a line? Is it a parabola?
We get a regular graph. I don't understand what you mean.
I mean, when I say graph, that's what I mean. Like, what's the shape of it? Is it, do you like it end up like a graph, like a line, or is it like a U, or is it like, how is it? What's the shape?
We ain't getting none of them. We just get the coordinate. We just get, we have to plot the points and then calculate the slope, and then draw the slope line. That's it.
Okay. All right.
No.
All right, no problem. Aaliyah, you have any questions for me? Aaliyah. Aaliyah Store?
Yes, sir. I don't understand geometry concepts and rules
At all or
at all.
at all? Okay. All right, what I would recommend you to do before you do, since you don't know how to do it at all, let me end this recording.